Yep. Yeah, I
Blue
see.
and
Yeah,
white,
yeah,
black
yeah.
and white. Blue.
Ah, I see.
Sam, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Right in the water.
Okay.
Load up.
Yeah.
The adventure begins.
The adventure begins.
Done.
It's not that easy.
Okay, so don't worry, but it's not that easy.
Yeah. I mean, we'll be fine, but it's like not. It's not easy.
You from Mario?
It's good to know. This is our vessel for today. How about that?
This look like complicated, but the power, wow.
Lots of power?
Yeah.
But not for reef. But
Yeah, I
don't
load.
shoot the reef.
Maybe if you want to try later,
Yeah.
I load for you, and then you can try.
Okay. Okay.
Today we are entering the fish's lair. We started off the day right though. We actually pulled up on this giant rock bluff, which looks similar to what we caught the GTs on. We went in the water, like just boom, like that. Hopped on the boat, 40-minute ride, got in the water, and we were surrounded by manta rays that literally weighed more than us. That is just incredible. I've never done anything like this before. I'm not much of a water sport guy. I like kind of staying dry on the boat and casting my bait. So that was kind of interesting, getting up close and personal with a fish that is, I mean, that thing could open its mouth and swallowed me. Luckily, those manta rays are filter feeders. They have absolutely no venomous sting on their tail. Completely harmless, gentle giants. But now, we move on to the serious part in the video in which, instead of casting at some fish, we are going to shoot at some fish. I've never done this before, so just prepare yourself. I'm in for a treat. This is gonna be crazy. I'm a little nervous, boys. It's like I'm fitting into a banana peeler right now.
Under, brother.
I look and feel like a
Under
bratwurst
the
right
wetsuit.
now.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Can I get a... Oh, did you like that?
That was pretty cool. Can I get a screwdriver but hold the orange juice and hold the ice? Just give me straight vodka. Warm, lukewarm. Someday it's been, guys. Holy freaking smokes. It all started off with me waking up super groggy this morning, Dice breathing down our necks saying we need to get to the beach. Met with our guide, whose name is Mario, really nice guy. Met Mario, met the crew, all great people, very, very nice. And he's gonna take us out spearfishing. Something I'm a little nervous about, but also very open to and excited to experience. And got out there, he showed us the ropes, how to cock your gun, how to put on the grape smugglers, and we got out there and he's like, all right, get in the water. It was like grabbing a little puppy, me being the puppy, and just throwing him in the water. I'm like, all right, go swim. I'm not much of a swimmer. I don't swim that much. I'm not necessarily like against swimming. I love swimming. I just don't like, I think the last time I swam was probably 6 months ago. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've been in the water. And I was just like dumped right in the Balinese current, which is like some of the hardest current in the world.
That we don't have the video, sorry to interrupt, but to have the video of you. The guide's like, yeah, John's over there hanging onto his boot and just like drifting away.
I was hurting so bad. At first I was like super optimistic, and then I got there, I'm like, this is really nerve-wracking. I'm like sitting in like 40 feet of water, I'm looking down, I'm like, Okay, keep it together, man. Keep it together. Like, I'm freaking out. I basically turned my snorkel into straw. I'm sucking up all this salt water. It was just gorgeous. I think I swallowed at least a gallon. Double espresso and a lychee smoothie.
Can I get that? You want bottled water or no?
And fresh bottled water. I need to balance out my salt to fresh equilibrium in my body right now. I'm thinking I'm gonna die. Anyway, yeah, so that was a miserable failure. Mario's probably thinking, geez, I got a doozy on my hand here. So finally, I bit the bullet. I did some snorkeling, kind of got used to it, then I put the gun in my hand. I think I made one shot today. We're here now at the restaurant, and I just want to catch you guys up because it has been kind of a shitey day. I hope I provided you guys with some much needed context there. Feeling better. I'm gonna get a smoothie in my system, and we should be eating on the beach in no time.
Oh, look at the baby turtles.
This is pretty wild. We were just about to eat the meal from the spearfishing trip, and like on the beach is this sea turtle conservation area where they like rear and raise, I'm assuming rescued sea turtles. I've never seen like this. Never gotten this close to an actual sea turtle before. They're amazing creatures. They live to be like 100 years, don't they? They live to be like very, yeah. Well, then they got these little tiny baby ones. They're so freaking small. Dude, they're so freaking like cute. They're tiny. Like you just want to put one in your pocket. Wow, that's cool. Extra plus. You just don't know what you'll see here in Bali. There's so much, a lot to do. Mario's motioning us to go, so we're gonna go to the beach right now and do a little cooking on the beach from our spearfishing mission. It's about as fresh as they can get. Unfortunately, I didn't shoot any of these fish, but I got to see other people shoot them.
Mom gonna cry because of that, you know. Kill the baby.
Well, they didn't shoot anything. So.
No, yeah, we did. We put it back
Really?
Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Parrotfish officially on the grill. Let's run down the species in which were shot today. Blue trevally, which you guys saw in like 2 videos ago, I believe. And we got parrotfish. 2 other random ones that look like discus or something. I don't know at all. Pretty much looking forward to it. I don't know if you guys know this, but fish is like my favorite meal of all time. Just cooked grilled fish, nothing fancy. That's the blue. Nothing but good bait. What? Huh?
Yeah? Huh?
Huh?
Oh, are you okay?
You post a story?
Yeah. What do you think?
Let me see. Let me check the story out real quick. Hey guys, fall Sam dice. What is it? Rolling these dice.
Rolling dice.
What do you got? Let's see the story.
It's like
Doesn't get much better than that. I kind of agree with you. Not only are we catching fish, we're getting to eat them too, and that's like one of my favorite parts about it. You're killing me over here. All the fish is cooked up. It's so good. It's like one of my favorite parts about traveling like all over the world and like nationwide is not only catching these fish but getting to eat them too. And this reminds me a lot of like the Sweden experience, only it's about, gee, I don't know, 90 degrees warmer here, and the fish is like a lot different tasting. We're talking about tropical to Arctic fish. Huge shout out to Mario and his family and his friends for inviting us over. Like, I feel like we're literally part of the family at the moment, and just chilling, eating fish, and watching the sunset, which, by the way, is pretty much down. Really wish I would have shot a fish. Kind of a weenie there, but hey, maybe next time. I'm signing out, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more snorkeling, more spearfishing. Thank you so much. But that's it. I'm logging off. Peace, love, keep fishing, never stop.